Hello SS fam, welcome back to another vlogmas. In today's video we're going to be making a quick recipe which is moi moi. Okay, so before we start this cooking, let me show you guys something real quick. I realized that I want to eat moi moi and the foil paper plates that I normally use, they don't have it. So because I know they don't have it, I decided to use this cup and some of my plates. So if you are ever in this situation and you're wondering, okay, I want to cook moi moi and I don't have the plate for it, and you want to use other plastic plates in your house, this is how to know if you will be able to cook with it. All you need to do is add water. This is the egg we're going to use. I'm already boiling it. All you need to do is put water and put it in a pot, cover it, and allow to boil for 30 minutes or so. If the plastic retain itself and did not melt, you know that you can use it. So that is we just basically carry out the practical together. Look at it. So that means this cup is safe for cooking. This is red oil. I decided to use red oil. You can use groundnut oil if you like. So just like that. Then we don't want to bleach this oil at all. So we just go ahead and put our onions like so. So just like that. I'm going to add a bit of groundnut oil to it. And give it a stir. So I'm going to leave it here until it turns a little bit translucent. Okay, you see the way our onions is looking? It's not ready yet. So while we are waiting for the onions to be ready, we just go ahead and throw in the shrimps. I don't know if there's any water settling at the bottom. Look at it going with my hand like that. So just put the shrimp like so. And if you are not a shrimp lover, you can definitely omit this. Okay guys, this is how it's looking. We are almost there. Just let's wait a little bit more. Just a little bit, a tiny little bit. Look at our shrimp. So for the sake of the shrimp, so it will turn out looking young, this is Maggi cube. Don't ever make the mistake of cooking your moi moi without grounding your Maggi cube that you want to use. If you use it like that, someone might be eating it and they will find a lump of Maggi in their mouth. So I think this is just looking perfect and good, the way we want it. So now I'm going to get the shrimp out. So just like that, since I've removed the other one, you put a bowl of water here, put the lid, then allow to boil while we go prepare the moi moi. Set it on the medium and leave it there. Okay guys, these are the ingredients we're going to be needing, and this time we're going to be making this moi moi with beans flour. So this is the beans flour. This is the beans flour we're going to be using. It's all natural. In here I have 4 cups of beans flour. Here is chicken. If you have not checked out my recipe on how I made this chicken, is home grade chicken. So all I did is bring 3 out from the freezer and defrost them again in the oven, and I just separated them, removing the skin. But I don't have problem with not the bone chicken, so bone is no problem for me. So this is chicken, and here we have dried shrimp, and here we have eggs, and here we have fresh shrimps. You saw the way I did it. And here we have the chicken stock, and here I have my olive oil, and here I have my homemade Scotch bonnet pepper. So now let's get started. To start, we're going to move this one aside. So just give it a stir like that. It's already blended, no big deal. So what you're going to be needing is water, warm water. So just stir it together like that. So you see, stir, 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 no big deal. Keep stirring. So by stirring it like this method will make it a bit how do I say, sticky. It will not just be like garri kind of moi moi. So just stir, stir like that. Keep stirring. So when you're done stirring it like this, so you go ahead and pour your oil that we made together just now with the onions, and it smells so heavily. So give it a stir. And if you are the type of person that says, oh, I don't like oil in my moi moi, I prefer olive oil, or you prefer groundnut oil, please, by all means, do whatever you like. If you're also the type of person that like to red it up with red bell pepper, go ahead, do it. Just cook. I don't like when I'm eating my mama, you just cut it, it's looking like garri. No. So you stir it like that together. So now that it's all mixed, did you guys see how beautiful that color looks? Yeah, it's beautiful. See, so now that it's all looking like this, everything is well incorporated, what we're going to be doing is adding our chicken stock like that. Pour in all your chicken stock. Then this is my homemade Scotch bonnet pepper. So use pepper the way you like. I'm not going to use too much. See it just like that. I don't want my kids to be shouting that it's pepperish. So go ahead and stir it all in. So you guys notice I did not put salt. So because chicken stock, you already seasoned it while you were cooking it. So you have to finish this process, stir it properly before you test it. The salt is salt to taste, and everything is yummy in your mouth. That's how to cook. Cooking is easy. I'll keep stirring until I see a very smooth consistency, no lump or anything. You see, like all these small ones, make sure you get rid of them. So I will just do that off camera. So I decided to add water because I don't want the marmite to be super thick. So now I'm going to test for salt, test for pepper, test for perfection. This tastes good. Are you guys seeing the consistency? It's just almost like water because I don't want it to be too thick at all. Yeah, because it's beans flour, don't let it deceive you. So you see, I'm adding more water. That's where some people get it wrong. You will be scared to add water in your mama. At the end of the day, you cook and to look like stone. You want to break somebody's head. No, don't be scared to add water. And don't be scared of any cooking. What is there? It's like exam. If you fail, you write again, then you pass. It's part of life. You just want to add a pinch, just a little, like that. Our mama like this is ready. So all we used in this recipe was just the chicken stock and that Maggi finish. Our mama is ready. Just push it aside like that. Clean here in case there is any splash that is unseen. Bring up. So there are some splash from the mama. So I've already showed you guys how I tested this thing, which I will put in the video and you'll see it. So all you need, if you have spray, once you are cooking, learn how to improvise. Improvising is part of life. So I don't have that spray, that oil spray that you just put inside, boom, life is easy. But I have this olive oil, just pour a little bit here, That should be enough for the whole cup. All you're going to be doing is just literally round it round like that. Pour in the next one. Go like that. Or another easy way is just put your hand inside, rub it in. It's like you are prepping it. Put your hand inside, rubbing it. Some people, when they are cooking, they don't like using their hand. But my hand is my hand. It's all clean and I washed it. See, that's how to prep it, so that when you eventually finish cooking the moi moi, you just flip it like this, boom, everything will come out. So let me go ahead and prep my cups, then I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done prepping the cups. These ones you can get from Walmart or even dollar store, but these ones I got them from IKEA. And even the plates, you can see they look similar, they look almost the same, so I bought them from IKEA. So this is how they are looking, well prepped. See, no ground oil dripping out from it if you turn it upside down. So it's just like that. Now I'm going to push them aside. Just come like so. I'm going to pour one. I'm going to pour two. Awesome. If you can see it. Okay, 1, 2 like that. You put your chicken. You put 1 shrimp. Then you put egg. Then you put another shrimp. Just like that. That's what I'm going to be doing. 1, 2. Then you put your chicken, you put your shrimp, you put your egg, you add your egg, just like that. Then you add your shrimp. Boom. This is what I'm going to be doing to all. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, this is how it's looking. I'm done with everything. I did not finish the egg. And I end up not using the whole of the cups, the small cups. So now let's go put it inside hot water. As you can see, our water is boiling. If you have old fork and spoon, which I also have, you can go ahead and put those inside. But today I'm going to be using this my stone that I used to bake my cake whenever I want to bake cake like a village woman. Okay guys, I've decided to switch pots to a bigger one. Okay guys, you see everything is now standing on its own with ease. So now, instead of me to cook it twice with that small pot, just rather use the big pot. So I'll just easily just put those ones on top. That fit there. Grab a foil paper, place it over like that. Gently place the cover. Probably see you guys when this is ready. Just like that. Your moi moi will soon be cooked. Another thing about not telling somebody, oh okay, this is how to cook it. Moi moi not overdone. So let it cook. SSFM. It's time to check it out. Look at that guys. I think it's all cooked now. So let's see. And look at the way it's looking all beautiful. Look. Yum yum. And you see there's still water under. And my stone is still there, and I didn't even put any water. I just allow it to cook. Okay, let me get some out like this and get another one out. So let's go try it out together. Okay guys, this is the moi moi as it is hot. I just brought it out. All we need to do is flip like so. You see that? Oh my god. Got it out. Look at that. Let's try that together. I love it hot.
I love hot too.
Oh god.
But what are you eating?
This is delicious guys. You see? The way I flipped it, just go like this. Then. Woo! Look at that guys. Look at the inside. See that? All cooked. Test your moi moi in your mouth. When you eat it and it's done, that's how to know moi moi is ready. Thank you so much for watching guys. Peace.